Let's talk about real estate brokers. Real estate agents must work under the supervision of a real estate broker. Brokers create the infrastructure for agents to succeed. The more business the agents do, the more money the broker earns. Brokers set up offices, train their agents, provide support services, assist with marketing efforts, and sometimes mentor agents one-on-one. On average, real estate brokers earn significantly higher incomes than agents, but it's a different kind of business. Agents deal with clients and transactions directly, while brokers run the business behind the scenes. To become a real estate broker, you need at least 2 years of full-time experience as an agent. You must also take an additional 5 classes and pass another state exam. The Real Estate Broker Certificate at Citrus College fulfills the educational requirements for getting your broker's license. Take your real estate career to the next level. Start your journey to becoming a real estate broker at Citrus College today.